nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Young men can change the world. Everyone can and should add something to society and the world. Each man has within himself a special skill that can contribute to the community. But we all must work hard to find what it is that we have within us, perfect it to show the world what value it can have in life. You may have seen something or visualized a new and different design to develop for it. Imagination, ability of the mind to be creative. This is your mind imagining and showing you that there is greatness in you. Now you need to focus on that one thing that you feel passionate about and create it. After doing the research and development of that idea, you can now evaluate the options. The options should be: ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. The options should be able to create a level of probability for success or failure. Vision, ability to plan for the future. The information can provide a clear view of your creation, cost, benefits, and effectiveness regarding budget requirements. This information will allow you to pick the correct option and direction to take. There are times when evaluating or rethinking or changing plans would be a smart decision to make. Resolve, to settle or make a decision. Nothing in life is guaranteed, but we must keep moving forward to be successful. Everyone must continue to work on whatever their dreams are. To do nothing will ensure that your future will be one of regret and disappointment. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Out of here, more than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.